Parks looking at Ravenna. Escapes, bounce inside. Aram nearly lost it. Shot clock at 4. Does Bolick? No. Oh, look at that.
Good
Block.
block. Hindi pa tinira ni Bolick. Pero Putin, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
Oh, we need a timeout.
Yaksa knocking in his first three-pointer. His first set of points in the game. The lead is down to 7.
Oh, it's a real battle right now. Matagal pa ito. Ang got to foul pero wala yata sa penalty ang Indonesia.
Yonga committing that foul. You're right. It's second team foul.
Second team foul pa lamang. Dalawa pa eh. And you can see the Indonesian team, they're beginning to cheer, no? Yung kanilang an offensive foul pa, tinawag ng referee.
Kay Ravenna.
Wow. All of a sudden, we're collapsing here. You're going to call a timeout.
Yes, Norman is about to. He was signaling the bench. The scorer's table, actually. 128, 7-point lead.
Alam mo, may 3-point shot ang bagong basketball, kaya nga mabilis eh. Saka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Piatme. Blocked. Ball will be kept by Indonesia.
Yeah, that's a good block though. Without fouling, because we do not want to foul this guy no matter what.
He's been shooting well from the free throw
He
line.
hasn't missed.
Watch Xaviero here. He might be the recipient, but there's a lot of time on the Indonesian shot clock, 13.
Look at where Bolick is defending because that's the #1 rule. Defend the basket. Yung mga backcut yan. Tulad yan, libre sana. Nahuli na si Aram. Natawagan ng foul si Bobby Ray Parks and that's free throw shots.
Anong senyas ng referee? Parang
Foul.
offensive foul.
Offensive foul ba yun?
Ito.
Tingnan natin. No, they called the foul on us. I saw the signal on Bobby Ray.
Oh, yeah, kaya nga. And the lead is down to 6.
We are
Xaviero will try to muscle his way again.
they help us to come.
Yes,
They help
he
him.
scores.
They help didn't come.
He has 22.
Yeah, he hasn't scored for a while, but again, we allowed them just to get the ball all the way there. They have made a big comeback. That 12-point lead, 14-point lead is gone. It's only 4 right now. That's a foul.
That's a foul.
Dahil natin
Pani Bolick dito.
Watch this. O, mapupunta. O yun, nice step. Kung hindi tinawagan ng foul yun, mababaking pa tayo.
Less than a minute.
Give it up. Oops.
Lost. Regain.
May nako, foul si Aram. Take 2 tayo dyan. Take 2 yan. We have not gotten the calls here in the end game. There was a clear push on Bobby Ray Parks and there was no call. And let's see who did they call. Nag-uusap pa nga.
Down to the final buzzer here.
Kaya hahawakan ng muna ni Bolick yan. But we only have 10 seconds left on the shot clock.
Bolick starts his drive. Step back 3. No. Ball is in the hands of Indonesia. There's a foul.
Wow, an unsportsmanlike foul called against us. Bolick again, never gave up the ball. Stuck at 30-footer. Tinapako dito. I mean, look at this. He just step back, no plays at all, you know. Ball never left his hand. Malonzo's waiting for that pass.
Parang, it looked like tinamaan ni Parks. Parang hindi rin.
Ang masama dyan, sumenyas kaagad ng ano yun eh, ng unsportsmanlike
Is it
foul.
Dagnick?
Oo.
Nagkabuhol sila sa ilalim. Pero makukuha ng Indonesia yung bola rito eh. Yun o.
Inalis eh. Hindi conclusive, so inalis eh. Inalis eh. So we can see if we call an unsportsmanlike foul, tuloy eh. Kasi parang hindi conclusive, so They called an unsportsmanlike foul. All of a sudden, si Bobby Ray Parks. Kasi ano na, baka foul.
Has always had a good shot from the outside. Grahita with 8 points.
30, by the way, has been put back into the ball game.
Lead is 3. Indonesia will have possession after this.
And look at that comeback that they have made. They're down by 14. We were cruising with 4 minutes to go. And we have stopped scoring. Now we don't need any other bad calls made here against us anymore. Because remember, we've gotten into the penalty early here. And we don't want to foul. We don't want to reach in, just play.
Chaviero receiving. They're thinking 3 here. But they drive, they kick out, they're boxed in. Yagne lost it. Shot
Violation.
violation.
Yun. Pinapafoul na ng coach nila kasi hindi nakatira. Ang ganda depensa ni Masan, hindi siya kumagat sa fake. Pumwe-fake si Dagne pero hindi siya kumagat. Jagne.
At si Jagne, ilalabas niya talaga. Hindi niya ilalabas yun. Da-drive niya.
Need a good inbound here. Good screening without offensive foul. Natandaan mo si Terpin natawagan na offensive foul kaya nawala yung possession.
Umawak siya.
Sa possession natin yun. This is using your head as they say.
Palagay ko decoy si 30.
There's Bolik. They want Bolik to get the ball. Go to the free throw line. Now we can put in another big man for rebounding purposes if we want.
70-68, 7.3 seconds before we end this game. Miss.
Now we need a big man. We need somebody to rebound. We better put this in. Because we need at least a three-point advantage.
Yeah, there it is.
May timeout pa yata sila eh, and they're going to use it. Now, if you give them a layup underneath the basket and they use some clock, you give that to them. That's only 2 points. You're up by 3. The thing you don't want to do is give up a 2 and 1.
Indonesia. Yaksa. Will they go for a 3? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The set up. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No.
Oh, no.
I think we are out of time.
Yeah.
There.
Ayan,